So please open all of your book. Excel reference chapter, please see. Okay, page number 255, chapter number 30. Please open everyone book and see cell reference. So first, what is cell reference? Cell reference means cell address. Cell address and cell reference is same. Okay, so I'm showing, see, just open Excel, type Excel in search box. Excel will open. Click on Excel. Our Excel file will open. We are using 2019. Okay, now click on blank workbook. This workbook came. Now see here, this is cell address. This is box, and this box we have to call cell, and here in name box it is showing cell address. This is, I am clicking here cell C, S7 showing, here clicking K11 showing. Okay, so cell address is nothing but just a cell reference. Okay, cell address and cell reference both are same. So this is the definition of cell reference. Now see, in cell reference, first type of cell reference, relative reference, and second absolute, third one mixed. These three types of cell reference we have to cover in this chapter. Okay, so see, first we are going to uh, start relative reference. Okay, relative, and here given one example, so we will also cover with examples. Okay, one example given in book, so we will cover two examples for more understanding. Okay, see, relative reference. What is relative reference? Relative reference means when we are going to copy any formula and pasting in other cell, that is called relative reference. But sometimes we don't want to copy formula and change cell address. For that time we have to use another cell which is absolute reference. Okay, and what is the difference between relative and absolute? We have to put this dollar symbol. I am showing, zoom it. See, this is dollar symbol. We have to put this dollar symbol before the column name and before the row number. First, it will come, see here, column name H, and after that row number 5. So we have to put this dollar symbol before the row number. Like here I am giving, before row number means, suppose I selected G4, so I am giving dollar symbol dollar G dollar 4. I have given here. This is absolute means, see, when you are going to copy this cell and pasting under, this cell address is constant now, fixed. It is not going to change. Okay, so I have given here dollar symbol before the column name and before the row number. Another way you can say before the column name and after the column name. Okay, two way you can say. Anyway you can say, okay, I have told two way. This is the absolute reference. Mixed reference means when I am going to put dollar symbol either before the column name and row number. This is called mixed reference. Suppose I am going to put a dollar symbol, dollar G4. I have given here, see, dollar before the column name. G is column name, and before column name I have given dollar, means G is not going to change now. G will fix, but 4 will change. 4 will change. Means this is the combination of, mixed reference is combination of relative and absolute. Relative means no any dollar symbol. So before row number, no any dollar symbol. Before column name, here is dollar symbol, means absolute reference. Without dollar symbol means relative reference. So mixed reference is the combination of relative and absolute. Okay, otherwise you can put like this, G dollar 4. Here see, G, now G, this is the column, this is the column, so G will change now. But for this is the row number is not going to change because I have given here dollar symbol. Okay, so these topics we will cover in this class. So first I have to create one table. So please see, or I'm going to create one table for employee salary. Okay, so first I have to take name like this. After that we have to take basic salary. Basic salary. Okay, next one, see this, I have written this thing and coming in another cell also entering, so you have to just double click, so automatically it will adjust in the same cell. Next one, after basic salary, ta, ta, ta. Okay, so ta I'm giving here ta like 10%. Okay, so I'm giving here 10%. See, this is the percent symbol, percentage symbol. And next one, see, keep your mobile in horizontal mode. Okay, then you will get complete screen and you will visible, clear visible. It will show. Okay, complete screen it will capture. Next one, DA. DA is nothing but just daily allowance, and PA for traveling allowance. DA I am giving here. The F2 I am pressing for edit. I want to edit here. DA I have to put, DA means 14%. Okay, DA. Employees getting in this company 14%, DA and traveling allowance 10%, daily allowance DA. Next one, HRA. HRA I am going to give HRA. How much HRA? I want to give 12%. Okay, 12. Just close the bracket. 12% is HRA. Now double click, automatically it will adjust. Next one, total salary. Total salary. Total salary. I am going to get total salary. Okay, just here come and double click. Next one, after total salary, see, now we are going to calculate and fill this data. Before filling, I want to zoom this one because not clear visible. Okay, zoom. Now see. Now here I want to give some name like first one, Ramesh. Okay, he is getting 12,300. Next one, after Ramesh, Ram is there. Okay, he is getting 16,200. Okay, next one, Syam is there. He is getting how much? 17,569. This salary, basic salary getting. After Syam, Mohan is there. Mohan, he is getting 25,300 like this. Next one, Prakash is there. Prakash, he is getting like 8,200. Okay, only this much salary he is getting. So see, we have to find TA now. And before going to find anything, just give some design. I want to give border. So just select this one. After that, come here and select here drop down border. Okay, now see border will apply. Border apply now. Now I have to find and see highlight this one. This one highlight, bold. Okay, after bold underline them. Okay, and now highlight. This is the highlighter. So I want to take some color for highlight. Okay, red color, take any color you can take as per your choice. Now I have to find TM is traveling allowance of Ramesh. So we have to write formula. So always start formula, any formula with equal to symbol. First we have to write how much TA, 10%. Okay, 10% multiply with this cell address 12,300 getting basic salary. This is B2, comes under B2. See, selected. Now close this bracket, give divide symbol and write 100, divide by 100, press enter. Okay, I got this result. I got this result. Now see, just I am going to copy this one and paste here. See, here formula came C2 10 into 12, but here we have how much? 40. So we have to update this one with 40. Now press enter. Okay, like that. See, equals to 14 means 14 multiply with B2, B2, close this one. Now divide by 100, press enter. This one for DA. See, I am going to copy this one. This is for D. I am going to copy and here paste. It will not work. See, here 14 given, but I will change 12 also. See, C2 given, C2. But I have to take B2. I don't want to take C2 because I don't want to update. Okay. So you have to, here we have to write, what we have to write for finding HRA equals to, start bracket, 12%, 12 multiply with B2 basic salary, close this one, divide by 100, press enter. See, this is the HR. Now I want to calculate total salary. Total salary means we have to add these all TA, DA and HR. Okay, then we will get this salary. Okay, total salary. So I'm going to add this one. You can write equals to, you can write first one B2, okay, plus C2, C selected, plus D2, okay, plus E2. Now close and press enter. Sorry, not open, then no need to close. Not open bracket, then no need to close. Without bracket, you have to press enter. See, I got this result. Just I am going to fill autofill. I'm dragging my mouse down. Okay, I got here. Result is okay. Now here also you can drag. Okay. So I'm copying formula. See, I'm copying formula in this cell. Otherwise, you can just press copy and here paste. Not a problem. Not a problem. See, formula is same. Formula get copy here. See, automatically I have written here different formula, different B2, C2, D2, E2. But here I am going to copy and paste, then see automatically formula is going to update according to cell address. Here also see, according to cell address automatically formula is going to update. Here see, here see. Now this is the total salary. Now one more field I want to add, gross salary. Gross salary means company is also giving bonus providing. So for applying this, just select, after that click on border will come. Company is also giving bonus to all employees. Bonus giving 1800 flat 1800 giving for all employees. So now what we have to do for finding this one bonus? So finding bonus means total salary plus 1800, because 1800 giving for all employees. This is the bonus salary. So we have to add this one. Okay, I am going to write here formula equals to total salary means F2 plus, after that see this cell address 1800 D12. Okay, I have written, then press enter. See, this is the total salary F2 D12. I am going to copy this formula and paste here. See what happened. See what happened. See what is going on. Same value giving, same value means this is not going to add. So see what is formula here. Formula is okay. I have written here, going to copy and paste. See, D13 taken here, D12 in 1800 it is taking here this one, D13 here written. I am zooming it. See, D13 means this cell address is D13. So automatically formula is going to update. See here, D14, D15, D16. So I want to fix this cell address, means constant this cell address. Cell address should not be updated according to this cell address, should not be updated. So what we have to make, this cell address make constant. This cell address we have to make constant. Okay, so for this, what we have to write here? I'm going to write, just delete this one, delete, and again write here, same. Okay, same. Now here, come to here. Here I am going to fix this cell address D12. This is D12, cell address D12. So equals to total salary, means total salary is F2 plus, see, F2, I am not going to put any dollar symbol. F2 will change because for Ram salary will different salary, and for Syam salary is different, Mohan for different salary, but bonus rate is same. Bonus is same for all employees. So I want to fix bonus. So I have to use what? Dollar symbol before column name means D, and after D or before the row number means 12. See, selected. Selected. Now press enter. See, I have written here formula F2 plus $D $12. This is the cell address of bonus. Okay, now I am going to copy this. Drag mouse down, drag. See what happens. Check here formula. D12 fix. Here see. Formula is going to copy. F3, F3 for next person, and D12 means bonus is same, fix. See next cell. Yes, D12 again bonus is fixed. Here see D12 means again bonus is fixed. Here see D12 means, see here F is going to F, this column is going to update this cell address. This cell address is going to update because I have not given any dollar symbol before F and before row number. But see, I have given $D $12 means this cell address is not going to change anywhere. If you will copy this one everywhere, it will same, it will fix constant. I have given constant. Okay, so this way you have to do. Okay, this is the what reference? This is absolute reference, and relative means, see here not given anything, not given dollar symbol, not used. Here also for F2 not given anything means this cell address is relative, and this cell address is absolute. Okay, this cell address means this D12 is comes under absolute. Now I'm going to ask to all if you have any problem. Okay, after that we will do again next example, we will understand. Yes, Jyoti, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to ask anything?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then next one. Okay, next one, Payal, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to ask anything? You have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next one, Raj Ranjan, you want to ask? Raj Ranjan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You want to ask any question, any doubt you have?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Vicky, you have to ask anything, otherwise we will go for next example.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, so see, we have next example. I'm just going to minimize this one, and we have another example for same topic. I have written here save cell reference. Okay, I'm going to open this one in same file. Click on open, and this is cell reference for class 9. Okay, see here I have created one table. This is the marks table. Okay, already created for two student. Okay, like given name. See, I have created serial number. These are the serial number. These are name, and these are maths marks out of 100, here physics and chemistry out of 100, here total I have taken, here percentage I found. Okay, see what formula I have written here. See, I have written here for sum C2 to E2. C2 means this cell address, to E2 means this cell address. Okay, sum C2, this one, to